Let's keep our fingers crossed. Alright, well, at least we got some action this morning. I just saw a smaller deer, but good Lord, he was about 200 yards away from me. I don't know if anything was chasing it or what the deal was, but it was definitely heading out of here. It is public land, so somebody could have bumped it, I don't know. At least we got to see something. It's better than our last couple trips. Of course, I forgot my tripod today. Today probably will be the day that big buck walks in. I want to be able to get him on film. But if he does, I promise I'll do everything I can to try to get it on film. Well guys, it's been another quiet morning. Saw that one little deer when we first got here. Haven't seen anything else yet. It is dead calm out here this morning. You could absolutely hear a pin drop. It's supposed to rain this afternoon, but hopefully we'll be able to get out and hunt. I was really hoping this morning we could get it done, but looks like our curse is following us still. Guys, I'll holler at you if we get any more action. Hey everybody, still no action. I just wanted you to listen how quiet it is in these woods today. Talk about peaceful. I'll shut up and let you listen. just straight up come out of nowhere. I was sitting there listening, letting you all listen to how quiet it is. I looked up and it was like she popped out of the daggone ground. Hey, at least I got to show you a deer. Well, that was exciting for a minute. But of course she had to come in straight downwind, so it didn't last very long. Plus, I think she saw me move when I tried to get around to get a better shot over there because she was in behind a tree. But at least we got to see two today. It's only like 8:50 right now. Maybe we'll get lucky and another one will come in. Like I said, I don't know if I'll be able to get a shot on film because I forgot my tripod. But I'll try to get as much footage as I can. But let's see what else happens. Okay, guys. I just saw a doe go across that ridge over there where we seen that first deer this morning. Right after that, I see a pretty decent buck following behind her. I grunted at him a couple times, but he didn't give a crap. I tried to get him on the film, but like I said, they're about 200-300 yards away over there. I couldn't get a shot at him through the brush. Plus side is the deer are moving this morning. Now if we can just get one of them to come by here so we can shoot it. Well guys, that's going to wrap it up for this morning. We got some activity this morning, so that was a good thing. Saw 4 total. Only was able to get 2 of them on video for you guys. Probably not even the greatest video quality on them either. At one point I had a little fawn, maybe a 6-month-old, year-old fawn come by me. It come by me at 10 yards. I couldn't even move. I couldn't get the camera out. I couldn't do anything. Just let it walk. That's how close it came. Then, like I said, had that buck and that doe go across the holler across from us. I tried to get some footage of them, but it was just so thick over there and they were moving so fast that by the time I could get zoomed in where they weren't there anymore. But all in all, it was a pretty good morning. At least we saw some deer today, so that's a plus. Hoping this afternoon the rain holds off and we get to do an afternoon hunt. And I hope they continue to move like they were this morning. And the big thing I'm going to remember is get that piece for my tripod. Well guys, we're getting closer, so y'all stick in there. It's not easy hunting from the ground, and it's definitely not easy hunting from the ground when you're trying to video. Key to hunting on the ground is to stay as still as possible. And when you gotta reach up and hit the record button or try to move the camera or anything that's not grab your bow, pull back and shoot, it adds a little bit of an extra challenge. But if you guys enjoy watching it, then I'll just keep right on making them for you no matter how hard it is. But we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.